Hey everyone, welcome to this week's YouTube video. In this video, I'm going to be designing a coffee roastery logo. It's going to be just a quick process video, and I'm going to try this new brush that I got from Design Cuts called Vector Fuzz brushes. So it's pretty simple to create. Like normally you'd have to go through this whole process to get a bit of distortion or fuzz around objects. But with this one, you just upload the brushes and then select which kind of intensity you'd like of scattered brush around the object. It's pretty cool and very quick to get the desired effect. So I'm gonna try some texture around the logo, and also I'm gonna do a mock-up stage of the video where I'm gonna use some mock-ups that I got from Design Cuts. So yeah, stay tuned for the video and let's get into it.
All right. All right.